Welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer and I do models. Okay, folks, here we go. Here's the links to check out all my social media. And don't forget, there's a huge giveaway going on. You can check last week's video. I'll put a link at the end of this video, a card at the end of this video to talk about the giveaway. It is now up to $17.50. It was at $15 for a grab bag. It's now up to $17.50. We have reached the 175 subscriber mark. Thank you guys so much for that. You guys can visit my Patreon page to vote. You don't have to sign up. You can just vote for the first item to go into the grab bag. And then on Friday, I'll announce what item won. And then there'll be 4 more items up for you to choose for what goes in this grab bag for the winner. So you can visit the Patreon for that. You can also visit all these links here to get entries into the giveaway. You can also comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff to get extra entries into the giveaway. So, what are we talking about this week on Bismark? We're going to take a look at some Bismark stuff here. We're not going to do a build at this time, but we're going to take a look at the battleship Bismarck and some of the stuff that I have for this ship. So there's one more thing. It'll be here before it gets reviewed at the end of the week. But we got the Tamiya kit, we got the Phonos kit, and we got an interesting book. We'll just take a quick peer around these boxes, and then we'll do proper sprue reviews of these this week. So we have, it's the 1/350th scale battleship Bismarck. It's got a length of 717 millimeters and a beam of 103 millimeters. It's ready to assemble precision model, detailed scale model for hobbyists age 14 and above. This is not a toy. So it's got, it's got the nice aircraft on it. It's a nice battleship. I'm reading up on the battleship and things like that. Didn't last very long, that's for sure. After it was built, and it didn't last very long at all. And then we have this mighty thick book for the Bismarck. I don't see the ISM number. I'll get the ISM number, but it's got this nice book. It's got drawings and histories. We'll do a separate review on that. And then what most people come here for is the 1941 1/350 scale upgrade kit from Phonos Models. And I'm not going to spoil anything in here, but that's full of all kinds of goodies. So this is the one. This is, like I said, this is for the Tamiya kit. The Tamiya kit number. Well, we'll go over that in the review video. We'll go over all that in the review videos. But that is what is going up this week. It's going to be Bismarck week. We're going to talk about the Bismarck. We're going to talk about some history of it. We're going to review the kits. We're going to review some other things. He said there's one more thing I want to review, some aircraft I got for it. It's reconnaissance plane and things like that. So, but most importantly, the giveaway. Currently on the giveaway, I believe we have some sanding sticks, an 8-pack of the Stephen International sanding sticks. Let's zoom in a little bit for this. 8-pack of the Stephen International sanding sticks. You can get, it's going to have some of these flat ones. That's one choice right there. And then another choice is a 20-piece of these micro applicators. And then let me just pull up, what was the other one on the poll real quick. And then we had a bottle of micro liquid tape from Microscale Industries, and a bottle of Vallejo Thinner Medium. These are all products I use. It's a 20-piece pack of a variety of these micro applicators, and then it's an 8-piece pack of the sanding products. You get a little bit of each, and then you would get one micro liquid tape or thinner medium. Now, just because these 4 are the voting choices for right now, doesn't mean these won't be able to be picked again later in the video, later in the giveaway. Like, the giveaway has already gone from 15 to 1750, so, you know, one of these items may carry over, like the second place may carry over as one of the items to vote for in the next lot of 4 items. So, that is something to look forward to. So that is that part of the giveaway. So, if you guys like that kind of stuff, it's a grab bag giveaway. I know some people said I should sell the grab bag giveaways. The grab bags, make grab bags and sell them. I will be doing an eBay store eventually to sell some magnetized Warhammer figurines, the stuff to magnetize them, along with videos on how to do that. At this time, I don't really have the time for that kind of thing. So I will be doing that in the future. Also, some other things like that. The North Carolina is coming along. I spent all of last week working on the 5-inch 38 guns. I'm just going to go ahead and put the links up so you guys can see those. I worked on the 5-inch 38 guns basically all week. It was my anniversary. Well, today's my wedding anniversary of 13 years to my wonderful wife, Jennifer. And we did an anniversary thing this weekend, so I didn't get a lot done this weekend. I was sick Friday and Saturday on top of that, so I didn't get much work done after Thursday. So I did a little bit this morning, trying to get a little bit done before everybody got up, but that's about all I got done in this video. So I'm going to get the reviews done for the Bismark, and then we are going to have that this week, and then we're going to have most likely North Carolina again next week. And hopefully Wednesday will be another Kitbashing live stream. I'm not sure. It may just be a video post. I'm not sure if it will be a live stream or not, but we are working on these servitors. Right now I'm currently working on one with a las cannon. That's what I got. I got the backpack here, and he's going to have a las cannon. Where the las cannon is? The las cannon's over here somewhere. We'll find it. So he's going to have a las cannon, and it's going to be cool like that. The build review for the Tiger, we're going to get some done on that, and building techniques, I hope, is going to be back up on Saturday for the Tiger 1. I'm hoping to get a video done for that because I've used up all my stock. So they will be filmed in the new video style of, you know, multiple cameras overhead and side and things like that. Again, guys, check out the giveaway. It's going up. If I get to 200, it's going to go to $20. And if you fill up the grab bag super fast, it'll end super early and it'll be at $17.50. If you guys pick lower priced items, then it'll last longer to get filled up, and it could go up to $25, go up to $30, depending on how many subscribers I get. But be sure you like, subscribe, share the videos, all that good stuff. Again, here's the links one more time. Voting for what goes in the grab bag is on my Patreon page. All these links are in the description below. You can check that out. Again, you don't have to join the Patreon. I just put the poll there because I didn't know how to do a poll anywhere else. So, and let me know in the comments if you voted. So also if you shared the video and all that good stuff, so I can keep track of your entries. So you can do it on this video, you can do it on the giveaway video. Again, I'll link the giveaway video, hopefully in the cards and at the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for watching for Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a fantastic day.